flooding everything now. That's Ken Mother's yard over there. That's the top of the white truck, car, vehicle. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it from my point. It's bad.
That's Nate. Nate, stay. Don't come in the water. Furnitures and everything. The water, the coolers, everything floating. Let's see the real depth of the water. If you look out here in the backyard, you can see the real depth. But the house is actually sealed really well. So God keep us in prayer in Freeport, Bahamas. Be strong. I strong. I can make this. I can make it through this.
I'm over the bridge. This is the Cove Tunnel. This one fool comes to the water and stuck. See? This water partly almost to the top of his door. I'm over the bridge. You cannot pass the cove. This is how high the water is to pass.
Okay, this is my current condition right now. Water about to reach the roof soon.
This is inside of the shelter. Inside whatever knee height. I took all the beds, I put all the bedridden folks up on the high stage. The stage is about 4 feet high. And if not, then we go up there, which is another. It's a target full.
Hey! Huh? And how you? Got your Russian to do it. This is the one is. That bag floated. Look at that.
Do you need assistance fast? Yeah, we need assistance fast. This going on right now. Oh. 242, pray for us in there. Land of the Almighty, pray for us. We can't get down. It's a 2-story structure. The door is shut.
Never seen anyone look real. No. I never seen nothing like this before.
More than the most. Not gone.
Bayview gone. I mean, that's Benoit and Hope. This was Bayview. Bayview gone. Radio Abaco still standing. Oh my goodness. That little restaurant was there. That gone. You can't even get through. You got boats across the. Yeah, the church. The church gone. The church gone. It's a boat. They sure it was underwater. Behind. Car damage. Everything just destroyed. Dock. Gone. Yeah. It's right around by the police station. Bayview's gone. Yeah, no, bro, all good? Yeah, it's that bad. It's that bad. I'm still walking towards the police station. Yeah, we get an hour! Police station. Medium people. A lot of homes lost, look like.